Hey there and welcome to the Art Lab. My name is Andy and today we're going to be covering a MDF artboard with resin and doing a resin painting. So my whole goal for this painting is that I really want to do a bit of a rainbow transition, and part of that I want to try to get some lacing in there, and I'm using what you can see here, which is not just a standard round board, it's got a bit of detail on it. So hopefully this turns out right, but it's all part of experimenting in the lab, and let's just give it a go and see what the results are. So I've sealed the board with some house paint on the front, and on the back I have taped it up, and this is to help prevent resin drips sticking, so afterwards I can just peel off the tape and the resin drips will come with it. The next step with your resin painting is to ensure that your artboard is level. You want it 100% level so that the resin will self-level and a little bit will run off the edges. You don't want it all running to one side. And now it's on to the pouring process, so I'll leave you with some nice background music to listen to. So did this resin pour turn out how I expected? Not exactly, but I still quite like it. I didn't manage to achieve the cells like I had hoped to, and the colours are a bit more muted, they're not as bright and vibrant as I expected. But overall I'm still really pleased with this artwork. It is a bit different than just a standard circle, and I really like the effect of the drips dripping off the main circle. I'm really keen to hear what you think of this. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can follow along on my art journey in the art lab. And here are 2 more videos that you might find helpful and entertaining. Until next time, happy creating!